Can we start question number 8 from September 2024 RTP of CA Foundation Accounting? This question number 8 talks about bills of exchange. Why waste time? Let's start reading. Adya owed 1 lakh to Anya. So Adya is the one who owes money to Anya. But let's read the end of the question to understand from whose standpoint and whose perspective are they asking the journal entries. Come to the end of the question. Past journal entries with narration. In the books of Anya, ignore dates. We should ignore all the dates and we should write the entry. Who are we? We are representing Anya. Whom are we representing? Anya. So Adya owes 1 lakh to Anya. We are Anya. So we have receivable of 1 lakh. We have receivable of 1 lakh. For us, it is asset. For us, it is very good. On 1st of October, I ignored it. Adya accepted a bill drawn by Anya. Who are we? Anya. What did we do? Drive a bill. On whom? Adya. What did Adya do? Accepted. What is it to Anya? Bills receivable. What is it to Anya? Bills receivable. Shall I write the entry? Bills receivable account debit to Adya. Let's write bills receivable account debit to Adya. Being bill drawn and acceptance received. They have told ignore date, so I'll write journal entry number 1. How much is the amount? 1 lakh. And this bill is received for 3 months. Date need not be written, but if we discount this with the banker to compute the discount amount, we might need that period. So be little conscious about the 3 months. After this, for the amount at 3 months, Anya got the bill discounted with the banker. We don't have to worry about discounting computation. Why? They've told banker has given us 99,000. What happened to 1,000? Discounting charges. We received money, bank account debit. We received money, bank account debit. How much did we receive? 99. What did we do? We gave the bill. Bill what we had received from Adya, we gave it to bank. That bill value is 1 lakh. The bill that we gave is 1 lakh. The balance that we got is 99. 1,000 what we are not getting is discounting charges. Being bill discounted with banker. Got it? Bank account debit 99,000, discounting charges account debit 1,000, two bills receivable 1 lakh. Everyone is clear? Very nice. What's happening after this 99, 1 and 1 lakh? Read the next transaction. On 3rd of October 2003, ignore dates. Before the due date, Adya approached Anya for renewal of the bill. What do you mean by renewal? Adya is saying, hey, I can't pay on that existing due date. I will be able to pay later than that. Can we renew? Renew means extend. Basically, that bill, what do? You should tear that bill and enter into a new bill. Enter into a new bill for new bill period where the maturity date is beyond the first maturity date. But we don't have the bill with us. We have the bill with banker, no? Now Adya has come to us and saying, please give me that bill. We will tear it. We will enter into a new bill for new bill period. I am okay and teludru. No bill nanatra ilvalla. Bill is with whom? First I should take it back from the banker. Only then I can give it back to her. First I should take it back from the. If I go to banker and ask for the bills, no, they'll ask for money. How much? Full money. So what should I do? I should first give full money to banker to collect the bill from banker. I'll write bills receivable account debit 1 lakh. To receive that bill of 1 lakh from banker, I should pay the banker 1 lakh. What am I doing here? I have withdrawn the bill from the banker. Why? I should now give it back to Adya. Now, I am going to give this bill back to Adya. But what is the deal that we have? I will write bills receivable. I'll give bill of 1 lakh back to Adya. Adya has to give me money. If she gives immediately, she should give 1 lakh. Is she giving the money immediately? No, she's delaying. No, I should have received 1 lakh today. Am I right? But I'm receiving later. Because I'm receiving the money later, I will say, Avela Nangotila, because of you, I'm receiving the money late. You have to pay interest. Correct or not? Yes. Now observe. What have they given about this? Anya agreed on the condition that 50,000 be paid immediately. Right now, Adya will pay 50. Together with the interest on the remaining part at 12% for 3 months. How much money should Adya give us? 1 lakh. How much cash will she give immediately? 50. Balance 50 she will give after 3 months. So how much money is delayed? 50. So interest should be collected on how much? 50. For how many months? 3 months. Do 50,000 into 3 months into 12%. 1000. So we should collect from Adya not just the bill value of 1 lakh. We should also collect interest. That interest is my income. Because Adya is delaying, I am going to collect 1500 extra. That is interest income to me. I'll write interest income 1500. How did we get it? 50,000 multiplied by 12% multiplied by 3 by 12. Got 1500 everyone? So basically I need to recover from Adya 1,01,500. Being bill cancelled by Adya and interest income recognized. Now Adya will give me bank balance. How much cash will she give? 51,500. How? She'll give 50,000 cash for the bill plus 1,500 of interest immediately. Sir, can't we include that interest in new bill? We can, but they mentioned that she'll give. See here, I'll show it all again. See, together with the interest, interest will be paid in cash and balance 50,000, there will be new bill. See, Adya should accept a new bill for 3 months. For that 3 months, how much is the bill value? 50. So I will write 51,500 she gave cash. 50,000 cash for the old bill, 1,500 interest for the new bill, and new bill of 50,000 she accepted. I will credit Adya by 1,01,500. See here, Adya had to give me 1,01,500. In 1,01,500, she gave 1,500 plus 50,000 bank balance, and balance 50,000 she accepted new bill. 1,01,500 debit, 1,01,500 credit. Did you understand so far? Make some noise. Then what's happening? These arrangements were carried out. Okay, Oledagli. But afterwards, Adya became insolvent. In all the questions, same story. What happened? Adya jumped into the river. Adya didn't dissolve. Sir, what did they only told? Adya became insolvent. How do you get to know something is solvent or not? Drop it in the water. If it dissolves, it is solvent. If it doesn't dissolve, it is insolvent. Adya became insolvent. Okay. And 40% of the amount can be recovered from her estate, from his estate. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಆದ್ಯ ಹುಡುಗ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಛೇ ಆದ್ಯ identifies himself as he. 40% of the money is recovered from his estate. Che, because of Adya, I thought her and then it took the bill back from the banker, extended the, renewed the period, and all of this I did. Finally, when I met, it is him, not me, Anya. But Anya is interested in. You don't know Anya. Who's Anya? Who knows? Okay, now focus. Okay. Adya is supposed to pay us money. If Adya would have paid money, I would have written cash account debit to bills receivable. That bill will go and cash will come. But now we did not receive money. I will first credit bills receivable of 50. 50,000 is collectible, no? From Adya, I will debit Adya 50. Am I going to receive 50? No, I'll receive 40%, not 40,000. 40% of 50 is received. How much? 50,000 into 40%. 20. Very good. 20,000 Bharat. But Adya was supposed to pay me how much? 50. What happened to balance 30? 30,000 go in the bad debts. Right? Bad debts account debit 30. Being part receipt and bad debts recorded. This is the accounting entry for this question. Did you understand this? That's it, guys.